Hello and welcome. I want to start by sharing something that could truly change your life. The three words are, I am grateful. I know this might sound familiar, and perhaps you've heard it before. But there's a deeper meaning to these words that you may not have fully realized. When you say, I am grateful, you're not just expressing thanks for the things you already have, but you're aligning yourself with the very energy that attracts more of what you desire. Gratitude is a powerful force in the universe, and when you make it your mindset, it becomes a magnet for your desires. When you speak these words, I am grateful, you're not waiting for things to happen. You are already recognizing that everything you desire is already yours. Gratitude opens the door to receiving. It's a recognition that the universe has already provided, even before you see the evidence of it. It's a way of seeing the world through a lens of abundance, rather than lack. The moment you feel gratitude, you send out a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. You see, manifestation isn't just about thinking positive thoughts or imagining the future you want. It's about becoming the person who already has what they desire. And how do you become that person? By feeling gratitude for everything, including what you don't yet see. You begin to embody the energy of the person who already has their dreams come true. Gratitude connects you to your desires in a way that nothing else can. It shifts your vibration. When you're truly grateful for what you have, the energy around you begins to change. And this change isn't just in your mind, it is felt by the world around you. Your thoughts and feelings are vibrating at a frequency that draws in what you desire. You are sending out a message that says, I have everything I need. I am open to receiving more. Gratitude shifts your perspective. It transforms your relationship with the world around you. When you're thankful, you're not focusing on what you don't have or what's missing from your life. Instead, you're focusing on what is already here. And in that energy of gratitude, the universe responds by bringing more of what you desire into your life. Manifestation isn't some distant, mystical concept. It's something that you can practice every day. And the simplest way to start is with these three words, I am grateful. When you say them, you're stepping into the reality where your dreams are already a part of your life. You're acknowledging the abundance that exists all around you, even if it's not immediately visible. The universe is constantly responding to the energy you put out. When you send out a message of gratitude, you're signaling to the universe that you are ready for more. And the universe, in turn, will bring more of the things you're grateful for into your life. It's a law of attraction at work, but it's not about focusing on what you lack. It's about celebrating what you have and knowing that even more is on its way. So, how do you start using these three words to manifest your dreams? Start with small things. Look around you and find something to be grateful for. Maybe it's your health, your relationships, or the opportunity you have to create your future. Whatever it is, acknowledge it. Feel the gratitude in your heart and let it fill you up. Let it overflow into everything you do. As you go about your day, repeat these words, I am grateful. Say them silently to yourself or out loud. Let them become your mantra. Whenever you're faced with challenges or doubts, remind yourself of the power of gratitude. It will shift your mindset and raise your vibration to match the energy of your desires. But here's something important to remember, gratitude isn't just a tool for getting what you want. It's a state of being. It's a way of life. And the more you practice it, the more natural it will feel. Over time, you will start to notice that your life is changing. You will begin to attract more of what you've been asking for. Not because you are trying to manipulate the universe, but because you are aligning yourself with the natural flow of abundance. When you're grateful, you start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. You start to recognize the synchronicities in your life, the signs that the universe is guiding you toward your dreams. Gratitude clears away the fog of doubt and fear, allowing you to see the path that leads to your desires. Now, it's important to also understand that manifestation is not about forcing things to happen. It's about trusting that the universe has a plan for you. When you say, I am grateful, you are surrendering to the process. You're acknowledging that everything is unfolding as it should, even if it doesn't look the way you expected. Gratitude is the key to surrendering to the flow of life, to trusting that everything is working in your favor, even when you can't yet see it. Manifesting your dreams requires patience and trust. It's about knowing that what you desire is already on its way, even if you don't yet have it in your hands. And as you continue to live in gratitude, you'll start to notice the small signs that the universe is moving in your favor. It's in the people who show up in your life, the opportunities that present themselves, and the subtle shifts that begin to take place within you. So, every time you say, "I am grateful," you are taking a step toward your dreams. You are aligning yourself with the energy of abundance and trust. You are sending out the message that you are ready to receive, and the universe will respond accordingly. The more you practice this, the more natural it will become, until eventually, your life will begin to reflect the very things you've been asking for. The key to manifesting your dreams is simple: gratitude. When you live in a state of gratitude, you align yourself with the energy of abundance. You send out a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. And the universe, in turn, brings more of what you're grateful for into your life. One of the most profound things about gratitude is how it shifts your focus. When you start focusing on what you already have, rather than what you don't have, you start to attract more of the same. Gratitude opens your eyes to the abundance already present in your life. You begin to notice the little things that often go unnoticed: the warmth of the sun, the beauty of the world around you, the love and support from those who care about you. These moments, though small, are powerful indicators that the universe is working in your favor. As you acknowledge these blessings, you elevate your vibration. Your energy becomes magnetic, drawing in more of the good things you desire. The law of attraction is always at work, but it's your state of being, your vibration, that determines what you attract. When you are in a state of gratitude, your energy radiates positivity, and the universe responds by bringing more positive experiences into your life. Manifestation becomes less about effort and more about allowing. It's about recognizing that everything you need is already available to you, and all you need to do is step into the frequency of it. Your desires are not far away, they are already within your reach. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to your dreams. There's a subtle shift that occurs when you practice gratitude consistently. You start to trust the process, even when things aren't unfolding the way you expected. You understand that the universe has its own timeline, and you allow yourself to be patient. Gratitude helps you stay grounded in the present moment, where everything is already unfolding as it should. So, start today. Say those 3 words, "I am grateful." Let them be the foundation of your manifestation practice. Feel the power in those words, and allow them to open the doors to your dreams. The universe is waiting to bring your desires to life, and gratitude is the key to unlocking that magic. As you continue to use these 3 words, you'll begin to notice how they shift your energy, how they change your reality. You'll begin to see that manifestation isn't about trying harder or forcing things into being. It's about aligning with the natural flow of abundance and trusting that your dreams are already coming to you. I am grateful. These 3 words will manifest your dreams into reality. Keep repeating them, keep feeling them, and watch as your life begins to reflect the abundance you've always desired. You see, manifestation isn't about forcing things to happen, it's about trusting that they will. It's about recognizing that the universe is always working in your favor, even when things don't unfold in the way you expect. When you approach life with gratitude, you are signaling to the universe that you are ready to receive all the good it has in store for you. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like it and subscribe to the channel. Also, I encourage you to take action. Practice gratitude every day and notice how it shifts your energy and your reality. Manifesting your dreams is simpler than it may seem, but it requires consistency and a willingness to stay open to the possibilities that await you.